Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. What it is, the fourth generation of Ford's popular compact crossover. Yes, Ford has overhauled the Escape just twice in 18 years. The blocky 2001 Escape made plenty of friends almost instantly, and a 2008 redesign on the same platform kept the momentum going until the truly all-new 2013 model arrived with a set of turbocharged engines and more expressive styling. The Escape is one of 5 Ford SUVs and crossovers wearing names that start with the letter E, and each year it handily outsells the rest. Why it matters? Cars are dead, at least according to Ford. The company's latest investor statement predicts that crossovers and trucks will make up 86% of Ford's production volume in a couple of years. Most Ford sedans and hatchbacks are being dropped, with the presumption that those buyers will simply move over to car-based crossovers such as the Escape. Already the model is one of America's best-selling nameplates. In 2017, Ford moved more than 308,000 of them. Platform: expect the new Escape to ditch the current C1 platform, shared with several front-wheel drive Fords, for the all-new, yet unnamed global platform underpinning the new Focus. Although the current Escape was refreshed for 2017, an upgrade that included additional stiffening for the body structure, the model scored the worst rating, poor in NES passenger side offset frontal crash test. The new platform's higher strength steels should help it earn a better score. The current architecture also can't accommodate a hybrid door plug-in powertrain, another shortcoming that will be addressed. Powertrain: modest sales of the first and second-gen Escape hybrids, the first and, for a time, the only hybrid SUV, excluding their Mazda Tribute and Mercury Mariner siblings, led Ford to drop the gas-electric powertrain and instead downsize its gas engines for the current generation. With the 2020 model, a hybrid will return, and there will be a plug-in version as well. Both may use a 48-volt secondary electrical system with a belt-driven alternator, starter for improved efficiency. The Corse and Onima 2.5-liter inline-4 will be dishonorably discharged. A 179-horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder, new to the Escape for 2017, will likely carry over, as will the 245-horsepower 2.0-liter turbo. Even though Ford is launching ST versions of the Edge and Explorer, we doubt Escape buyers will get anything hotter than the 2.0-liter. To boost EPA ratings and trim production complexity, Ford's new 8-speed automatic will likely be the only transmission offering. Unless Ford can drastically cut the Escape's weight, don't expect the 1.0-liter turbo inline-3 for U.S. customers. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.